Hello viewers, you are highly welcome to my YouTube channel. Into this tutorial today, we are going to be looking at this topic. Good, so this is binary operations. So for those of you that are offering for that mathematics, I believe you might have been hearing binary operations. Okay, so now into this tutorial, we are going to be looking at the introduction of binary operations, and also we look at the first property of these binary operations. Okay, now so let's look at what can we say about this. Now binary operations. No, let's look at these operations. When they say operations, I guess now it's something we've been hearing right from the onset. Okay, so right from when we started going to school. So now we can see that when they ask us to find the basic operations in mathematics, so we can be saying addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and so on. Okay, union. Okay, what we reach set, union, intersection, and so on like that. So they are operations. Okay, now so now, and one thing that I want you to understand here is that you know that all these operations are applied on what? On numbers. Are you getting me now? Let's say we have set of natural number. The set of natural number is same thing as set of counting numbers. Are you getting now? So that is 1, 2, 3, and so on. So this is natural number. Okay. So now if you want to apply addition, you want to apply subtraction, you want to apply multiplication, you can see that we are going to apply those addition, the operation, and this. We only we apply them on these members of the n, that is not members of natural numbers. Are you getting now? For example, if I want to apply this addition now, definitely I must carry maybe at least two of these members here. Let's say I have 1 plus 2. Are you getting now? You can see that we have 1, we have 2. Are you getting now? So now these two, now we want to combine the two. That's why we use this operation. Okay, now picking these two, that is the binary, because we pick 2, that is the binary. Are you getting now? Then this is the operation, the addition. This is the operation. Are you getting now? The operation, the rules. Are you getting now? We use to combine 1 and 2 together is addition. Are you getting now? That is just the what? That's the introduction about binary operations. Okay. So now the little difference here is that you can now be given an operation that is not even from this basic. They can denote the operation to be asterisk, something like this. I getting now? Applying or combining two numbers together. Do you understand now? So now as we have it, so therefore, let's say you are now what? You are now given an operation that is what? That is not from the basic operations we mentioned. I get it now. Definitely, you don't need to be panic. Okay, so the operation will be defined for you. I get it now. It has to be stated in this form, like A asterisk B. I get it now. That is the operations. Asterisk is that's the operation. What is defined to be? Let's say we have A B plus B A. I get it now. Look at this here. A asterisk B is equals to AB plus BA. Are you getting it now? So now from here, they will now say this operation, are you getting now, is what? Is applied, are you getting now, on a set of maybe natural number, what we use here. Are you getting it now? Therefore, this A and B is just what? The A is a number, any number you are picking from n, and B is also any number you are picking from what? From n. Do you understand that? So therefore, whenever you now have something like this, are you getting now? Operating on this. Do you understand now? On a what? On a set of natural number. So we said that's just the what? That's just the binary operation. Are you getting it now? So now we are going to look at the first what? The first operation, the first property of binary operation. Good. So we have what? We have closure property. Are you getting now? So now under this closure property, I've actually explained this earlier from the brief introduction I did. So now closure property is just that if you are given an operation like this, Are you getting now? Of equals to A plus B, okay, plus what? Plus AB, something like this, applied on a set of what? Of natural what? Natural number. Are you getting now? And don't forget that I told you that the set of natural number is what? Is counting number. Are you getting now? So where what? Where A, are you getting now? And B, they are what? They are set of what? They belongs to what? They belongs to N. So this means, remember, are you getting now? So they belong to N. Do you understand now? So now whenever the combinations occur, you can see this is the combination. So whenever we have this combination and we now have the results of this, to be a set or to be a member of this N again. I get it now. So we said what? We said this operation. I get it now. This set of natural number is what? Is closed under the operation what? Is operation asterisk. Are you getting it now? So now, for example, so let's say we have what? We have 1 asterisk 2. Are you getting it now? So therefore, this is A and 2 is what? 2 is B. We now want to operate this. Are you getting now? Don't forget that 1 is what? Is a set, is coming from natural number. 2 is also coming from natural number. So we have what? We are going to have this. So whenever, anywhere we see what? A or B from this operation given, we are going to replace them. We have 1 plus 2, okay, plus 1 multiplied by 2. Are you getting now? So from here, you can see that we are going to have what? We are going to have 1 plus 2, we are going to have 3, then plus 1 times 2, we are going to have 2. You can see that the result of this is what? Is 5. So now where I'm going is that you can see that when we combine this 1 and 2 together, so we have what? Given this operation, then we have our result to be what? 5 here. Are you getting now? So now, if you now want to know whether this N, okay, natural number is closed under the operations given to us, are you getting that? Definitely the result must also be a member of what? Of natural number. So therefore, so far we have what? We have 5 to be our results, are you getting that? And 5 is also belong to natural number. That is, when you are counting 1 2 3, you can see that we reach what? We reach 5. 5 is also a natural number. Are you getting now? Definitely we said what? We said the set what? The set N is what? Is closed. Do you understand now? It's closed under what? Under operation what? Operation asterisk. Are you getting now? And that is what? That is that about what? About closure property. So now, if this happened and the result we have did not what? Did not belong to the natural number, to the set of natural number, definitely we say that the closure property is not what? Is not satisfied. Do you understand? We say the N is not closed. Are you getting that? And that is going to be the end of today's what? Of today's tutorial under this binary operation.